I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty fried, as I'm sure you can imagine. It's 4 o'clock and I'm on my way up home. I guess they want to park here because there's no other spots, like in an almost entirely empty parking lot. So there's 2 spots that I absolutely love going to when I come down 95. It's rare that I get to come this way, but I'm gonna go in and check it out. It's been a really long time since I've been here because normally like traffic is terrible. Holiday City so far. Looks like things have moved around. This was not here last time. This plate, oh my gosh, those candle holders. $8. Well, I'm definitely gonna get this. I'm not really sure where it came from. It's signed, it's really neat. It's a unique Halloween item. It's kind of hard to find Halloween left in. What? 20 bucks though. I feel like I couldn't get much more out of that. What about the little... This black cat. It's like from a perfume bottle, I think. 8 bucks. All right, well, first of all, those blocks are amazing. They've got a lot of writing on them. I think someone scribbled on them. I'm sure you can tell now why I love coming here. Like this, what? So epic. It's 40 bucks. I don't think I can justify doing that. Okay, this bowl set is beautiful. 115. I feel like that's fair. And I don't even know anything about it. I'd pay that. Salt and pepper shakers. Oh, that's a fun set. The spoon rest. Oh. $5. I'm definitely gonna get this. This is a fun retro set. I don't see a price tag anywhere. Maybe I'm just fried missing it. Yep, $6. That's fair. These are neat too. This Art Deco. Oh wow, it's glass. I was not anticipating that. I thought it was gonna be plastic. All right, am I crazy? Am I missing the prices on stuff? Am I in that bad a need of coffee? This I've had a bunch, 21. It's steep. Seahorses, cracked. Okay, I'm obsessed with everything happening here. Oh, where to begin? Well, we can skip the bottom, it's all candles. Valentine's Day stuff. That one's 20. How much is that one? That one's 18, 20. Super fair prices for retail. Look at the little birds, so cute. And I need to know how much these guys are. Okay, so those ones are $60 for this vendor usually does their homework pretty well. Oh, look at that. That spaghetti Santa planter is only $35. That's a really fair price for retail. Now this is a really great one. $115 again. They've definitely done their homework. They know exactly what they have. That one's 40. Gosh, it's just like Holt Howard. I remember last Christmas, I think it was. I got an insane amount of Holt Howard stuff here. Christ. That's a really unique one back there. Is this chalk? It is. How neat. Oh my gosh, and all the old new stock stockings. Ah. Super overwhelming. Blow molds galore. That's fantastic. Oh man, I've barely gotten like 10 feet deep. They've moved everything around. I know I bought a bunch of this stuff from this vendor in the past. I recognize their aesthetic. Bunch of Cute old toys. What's this funny little mug? Oh my gosh. I wonder how old that is. Probably 80s. It's only $2. Well, these are quite fantastic. It's a little pricey for me though. I love that googly eye doll. All right, back to Christmas over here. Got these Pose guys. This is a fun set. I've had ones like it in the past. They're kind of hit or miss, honestly. $35 for the set is totally fair retail. These are funny, but they're a little bit newer than I'd like. Oh, $6. It's got a little paint loss on it though. And a Christ angel. Oh my gosh, the bell is too cute. $25. Love this. Love everything here. It's just like total kitsch wonderland. Ooh, Napco. $12. Even with the paint loss, I feel like that's super fair. See what else they got before I feel weird putting that back. This Santa in the chimney is pretty hilarious. It's only $7. I think we're gonna double back to this booth. And this little head vase girl. Ardell. It's actually older than I thought it was. $12, that's super fair. What is this? This is really distracting me. It's an old wedding album. That's kind of neat. It's kind of cool. It's a lot of this same picture. I like the album itself though. It's only $2. No, I didn't come back to this booth. I just really haven't gone that far. This bell caught my eye. Again, I don't see a price on it though. Oh, look at this sweet little mobile. $10. Oh, wow. And then the deer decanter set. That's neat. I don't usually go for that brown though. Although it's kind of neat that it's all together. Oh, man, I tell you, I could spend a fortune here. Actually, I have. I'm afraid I will again, but I'm really trying to keep to the budget here, especially because I've been a little reckless, one might say, recently. Look at this kitten blanket. I love that. I kind of want that for myself, though. I have so many blankets. Oh, I love the aesthetic here. This painting is hilarious. Man, I would like totally put that in like my guest bathroom or something. What is this? I think it's just a little small oil painting. Interesting. What's going on over here? There's a lot happening. Okay, first of all, this pencil sharpener, $26. That's about retail on that. They had one at Emmitsburg. That's why I know I looked it up that last time. Because I thought it was so fun. And I already have a pencil sharpener of my own. This is, oh, gosh, I love this. Look at this. It's another one of these photo albums. Oh my gosh, it's got photos in it. We have to see what photos it has in it. It looks like it's all Halloween. Okay, I can leave it. If it was full of Halloween pictures, I'd have to take it. So this is definitely one of the booths that gets me into big trouble. I've walked away with a lot of stuff for myself here, which is kind of hard to do since I see so much stuff and I get picky as heck what I keep. Or what I buy for myself, I should say. I know they have a lot of amazing paper stuff. Oh, man. just like have been going too hard. Kind of, originally my plan was to do this and the place I'm gonna go next on yesterday on my way down. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's fantastic too. But alas, I just kind of took the day to myself. So now I'm just like not in, I'm not in like the state of mind nor time frame I'd like to be. Oh, that's a fun repurpose. Yeah, I love all their stuff. Like, what? It's just so random. What is this? That's kind of funny.